Hi, welcome to another Ask Annie. In a lot of cases, our experience allows us to predict some of the could-be's that pop up in a project. And one way we're able to predict some of the could-be's is by performing something called a comprehensive project analysis. We never begin any work on a project until we've done this. It allows us to identify present problems that are maybe going to be involved with your project and helps us to predict or be aware of typical causes of that type of problem. That allows us to plan ahead and make sure that the formal proposal that you're going to be signing, along with the investment costs for the project, account for some of the items that could be or might pop up. So you can see why this analysis is important to your project. Your contractor is going to come in, really look at things with a fine-tooth comb, and make sure that your formal finalized proposal and investment costs are aligned, so that you can have a discussion and know that, hey, this is where we're going to be landing. Thank you for joining me today. Please post some questions you'd like answered in the comment section, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.